What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S gamer here with another breakdown. So today, guys, we are breakdown / react to I'm not sure if I call the name right. Say so. M24, Payper, Skore Beezy, HP Boyz. The song is Demon Time Remix. It's gonna be a long song. As you can see, it's a long song. It's 5 minutes. 5 minutes. As you can see on the screen, so it's 5 minutes, right? Let's see. So, it's gonna be a long video again, unfortunately. But we are breaking down every lyrics. So without further ado, before anything, let's do this, please. Do this. Alright, now you've done that. Thank you very much for doing so. Let's jump straight into the lyrics. And so go on, let's go. It's gonna be a very hyperactive video. I can tell already. I can see it already. So let me get my lighter out. My lighter wasn't out and my water is here. We pause every 10 seconds also to break down. Alright, let's go.
I'm not even jamming it. You're gonna say, bruv, like, you visioned it and it came.
Why? Make body jump, girl. Make body jump. But the production of these videos are getting like crazier and crazier. Like the production of these songs are getting crazier. I love it.
Look, stop, I'll do the talking.
Yappity yap.
They on zero, they ain't scoring.
Please tell me why they talk like that.
Look,
Hey boy, I not do the whole for talking. Remember say they pan zero. Remember say you the pan zero. We are win over Yasso. We are win. We not do the whole for talking here. That is what the artist is saying, not me. Let's go. I'm saying the artist because I don't know which artist this is. There's so much name in the thing, I don't know who is who. I think the only person we know in this Payper, really. Let's go.
demons.
Demon time.
Man, I got better feelings.
You said that you'd change.
You're all on a stitch.
Splash.
Hold on, man. Let me embrace myself for that one, man. Cause this your lyrics, them lyrics, yeah, alright. It's a drill song. Let's go.
Got a bulldog on my hip.
Crash.
Man, I'm on the block with demons.
Demon time.
Basically, I say I'm up on the block with demons. Him have him bulldog on him hip. Him strapped up on him hip. Him gun up on him hip. If a boy ramp, them duppy get flicked. That's what I say, not me. Let's go.
Got bay in the feelings.
You said that you'd change.
Got 100 ops, but none of them slide.
No.
Man say my being and feelings. Basically, you said you would change, but you never change. You're not gonna change. A leopard never change his spot. You can't teach an old dog new tricks. Ladies, try remember that, you see?
The ops just got a civilian again. People that ain't safe outside.
Whoa. A real tattoo that? That a real tattoo?
100 ops, but none of them slide.
No.
The ops just got a civilian
Watch
again.
out.
People that ain't safe outside.
A real tattoo that? That's not a real tattoo. No, sir, that's not a real tattoo. That's not too much ink. Enough ink though, I like it.
She got me on Snap, I can make her day right now if I choose to apply.
Hey.
Blow man off the top of the block. Let's see if them man they fly.
Push them off at the top and make you see if them fly. Yeah, R. Kelly? Yeah? You have wings? You can fly? Alright, make you see if you go fly. Let's go.
If I block her crazy ass right now, I'm getting added by fake accounts.
Lord.
If the yo wanna stitch, don't do it.
You know some girls just stay like this, right? You block them on one, them add up on the next one. You block them on one account, them add up on the next account. You have some bitches where we're just prolific with the stalking, dog. Them prolific, brother. Dog, ladies, big up for the same though. Love on it.
Up in my rollie and make her pout. She wanna roll with the demons. I'm on her to find a reverend. Man had to whip up a magical remix.
Hold on. What, you hear the man say what I got? The girl want to go with a demon, but her mother want to find her a reverend. Her mother want to find her a good youth. Her mother want to find her a pastor. Her mother want to find her somebody that her mother can be comfortable with. The man say, yo, the girl like bad man. She like bad boy. That's how she like. I don't care what the mother like. Is it?
Like an H-Street drop man selling.
I'm a star in a odd like Tinshu Strider.
Hold on. Who this now? This a who now? I don't know them artists here. Who? I'm a star in the hood like Tinchy Strider. Is this M24? Is this M24? I don't know.
She knows I'm a demon timer. What you gonna do when the GBs pull up? Pull up on a man all black like China. All of this 𝐉𝐀𝐌𝐀𝐈𝐿𝐿.
Go back, man.
What you gonna do when the GBs pull up? Pull up on a man all black like China. All of this 𝐉𝐀𝐿𝐿. This one got my chest on fire.
These artists are going in, bro. Them ice out like freezer. Then him say the rum when my drink, I'm chest on fire. So you know, say right now I'm just enjoy himself and just live life on the edge. You see me? That's how I get from the party, because there's so much part of women are gonna be able to break down. That's why I got you guys in the comment section helping me out. Let's go.
You never got me down, you're a liar. Most of them got sing like a choir.
Most of them got sing like a choir. So most of them get locked up by the police. Them sing like choir. Them sing. Cause you have some boy a bad man on the road, but when police hold them and them in our interview room, them a sing song. Them a sing sanky when a gossip. Them a sing all song when nobody not ask them to sing. That is the reality with some of them youth here. You see?
Had a remix, now we on a remix. Used to have food for the cats like Felix.
Huh? Wait.
So them got sing like a choir. Up at a remix, now we on a remix. Used to have food for the cats like Felix.
Man say him have food for the cat like Felix. Him have food for the junkie them like Felix. Him have food where the crackhead them want. Him have it. Like Felix the cat. You know?
Don't really love me, she just wanna eat it. Is it me or the lash she's feeling?
Hey girl, you don't love me, you know. You just want to eat it. You just want to eat what the G have. You just want to eat the banana. You just want to eat the plant. You just want to eat the cucumber. You just want to eat it. You don't love me. I just read your love. Because if something happened to me, God forbid something happened to me right now, you're gone with the next G. I saw you was here. You don't love me. You love the lifestyle. That's what the G I say.
Got a bad beat doing up
Demon time.
now she and her feelings. Chef man down, do it with meaning. Wife in her ops and her feelings.
Ooh. Man, some chef man down and do it with meaning. Them music are violent, dog. The music are violent. I'm gonna stop reacting to the music. Them too violent. I'm gonna go to gospel. I'm gonna go to some Christian song. Yeah.
Trick or treating, don't knock that door when I catch him sleeping.
Back him. See the G, yeah. Some light up a Pata. So Pata was in jail. Pata forward out and Pata just dominate the scene. I think he was dominating before him got jail. Anyway, prison. So let's jump again to Pata.
Meaning wife in her ops and her feelings.
Trick or treating, don't knock that door when I catch him sleeping.
Trick or treating. You know, Halloween time. Trick or treat. Knock on the door and them get the kids them treat. Man say trick or treating. Don't knock that door. Hey, youth, let's go again, man.
Meaning wife in her ops and her feelings.
Trick or treating, don't knock that door when I catch him sleeping. One in the head, I'm fucked in my head. I'll run down yours, get bun in your bed, probably.
Ooh, man say yo, trick or treating. Man say yo, one in the head. One in the head. I bun on
door when I catch him sleeping. One in the head, I'm fucked in my head. I'll run down yours, get bun in your bed, probably.
What? One in the head, I'm fucked in the head. I burn down your house, brother. I'm catching a fire in your bed, brother. You're asleep, dog. So first, from me go do, get one in your head, cause me sick in my head, and burn down your house. That means I'm just ashes to ashes and dust to dust by the time forensic scene come at your house. You see it?
It's something I done, not something I said. I spit in her mouth, let her fuck all my friends. I back that rate till nothing was left.
Huh? What? What you say, Olaga Pata?
That door when I catch him sleeping. One in the head, I'm fucked in my head. I'll run down yours, get bun in your bed. Alright, let's go now. This is how I'm saying, Mama want breakdown. It's something I done, not something I said. I spit in her mouth, let her fuck all my friends. I back that rate till nothing was left.
Man, say spit in her mouth, I make you fuck all I'm friend them. It's a real grass mate. It's a real bitch. I fuck the whole crew. It's a real dog shit. I fuck the whole crew. How for sister that? How for auntie that? How for mama that? Man say yo, let's spit in her mouth.
And I done, not something I said. I spit in her mouth, let her fuck all my friends. I back that rate till nothing was left.
Man say yo, me spit in her mouth. I make you fuck all of my friend them. You get a bicycle, you mattress. You get a hey girl. Every man comes, yo, give me a rider for that girl, yeah. Blood clot. Grass Mike.
Got Bay in her feelings, got F's on my kicks and I don't give a F. You're bad for the fans and bad for the net. I'm
My F for them kicks. You mean Fendi for them kicks? F Fendi for them kicks? Him some girl in them feelings.
got Bay in her feelings, got F's on my kicks and I don't give a F. You're bad for the fans and bad for the net. I'm
I got F on my, I got F, I got Bay in her feelings. I got F on my kicks. Bumbuckler, let's go.
bad in the flesh, I'll stab him to death. If I
Man say, yeah. Him bad in a real life and him bad for the net. Say, yo, pussy, me stab in a real life. Me stab you. Not because me sing about it. Me stab you. Me chef.
I tell you about Young Diz, then I tell you about H and I tell you about S. If I tell you about my CBTs and he told me them used to possess.
Basically, man say, all I'm friend them a demon. All I'm friend them bad. All I'm friend them all I'm friend them grimy. All I'm friend them have the po. You see? Yeah.
Splash, splash, splash.
Man, all this demon talk, my Aki told me stuff for a lot.
So who's this now? This is Skore boy. This is Skore Beezy, right? Cause I think the first one I say then M24, then Potter, then Skore. Okay, let's go.
I done did that left and right, I'm way too bait, got things in the car. A man
say I'm way too bait. It's not business what the consequences is. But right now the risk is worth the reward. Film risk where I take worth the reward because I'm thinking I'm care. If him get pulled over by the police, him not business, but him not get caught slipping. That's how the G I tell us. Big up yourself, me J. She girl them brother. What she girl them me J. What she girl them me J. We love see girl love video dog. We just love the one bag of man thing brother. But me like how the youth them in another video about enough girl night see me. Me like that. Me love it dog.
got a bulldog on my hip.
Crash, 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 crash.
Man, I'm on the block with demons.
DT, demon time.
Yo, me like my youth that show the ad libs them in. Crash. Me like how you think. You see? Yeah, dog. Yeah, the hype man for that video, yeah, me G. Big up.
Got Bay in her feelings.
You said that you'd change.
I'm that top boy from the six. Yeah.
Okay, alright. Take a minute. I see who this is now. Who is this? Would this be HP Boyz? HP Boyz probably. Alright, let's go.
I'm a hood baby. Back then I was doing rips on your kids. I was a crook maybe.
Back then he was doing what?
Six, yeah, I'm a hood baby.
Said that you'd change.
I'm that top boy from the six. Yeah, I'm a hood baby.
Is a hood Biden? As in Biden, President-elect Biden now him attack? So I must say, am I the hood president? Am I hood Biden? Did I get that right?
Back then I was doing rips on your kids. I was a crook maybe.
Back then I was doing rips on your kids. I don't get that part there. Rips on your kids. Can somebody explain what I mean this, please? See it again if you miss it.
Six, yeah, I'm a hood baby. Back then I was doing rips on your kids. I was a crook maybe. And not a regret.
That part there. I was doing rips on your kids. Cause me need to know what that part means. So please explain to me what that part means, guys.
For back then, I'll go back and do it again. Got about half of the boys inside, but we'll still ride on all of your men.
Basically, I say all of the boys them in a him call one name, I never prison him attack this so. But him say, yo, we still ride up on all of your G them. Because we still brave out here, so you see me? We still brave out here, so. And before that him say, yo, I've done it before and I will do it all again. I have no regrets about what I do before. I will do it again. With ease and smile. That's the man I say, I will do it and laugh.
Simple, my guy's really outside. My guy's really got time. Pull up on your men with a Roscoe, big shopping like Costco.
Come back to that. Man say, yo, him really have time. Him guy them really have time to do anything. Anything them ready. Them ready. That the man I say, yo, brother, we pull up on you. We pull up.
My guy's really got time. Pull up on your men with a Roscoe, big shopping like Costco. Ain't no.
Yeah, you see it? That's how I said that. Don't get it twisted.
Snitch up on my block. If there is, then he'll get knocked. Freedom 501s in NZ. We just sin and then we repent.
Freedom on the in NZ. NZ. No.
If there is, then he'll get knocked. Freedom 501s in NZ. We just sin and then we repent.
Aye.
That verse was fire, but I miss a lot of it. Sorry, me G. I'm just being an honest reactor, an honest breakdown. I'm not one of those reactor guys that just bat them head and go like to say them know the song. No, if I don't know it, I'm gonna say I don't understand what him say. So that is why I want you guys to explain to me what him just said a while ago. You understand? I'm not gonna be one that be naive about it. No, I am still learning. I am learning the culture. I am learning the music, dog. That is why I'm here. And you guys are helping me. I'm happy about that. Let's go.
What we do is just ride out, we slide out through the gang that's doing their time out. Big waps get busy with that. If you want to talk fast, let me hit him with that.
HB Boyz this again though. At the first, me hear about them youth there. The first, me listen to one of them song. At the first, me react to one of them song. The link to the full video will be in the description below also, guys. So you can go and make what you make give your opinion on it as well.
Them man just in there talking, straight minimum ballers. If all pulls up, they're hid in the corners. Young boss never follow no orders.
I say, yo, man, a young boss, me on a basket. Me a young boss, brother. We not follow orders. We give it one order around here. Are we the street I talk about? Are we there at the top? At the top is just us, brother. So if you have a problem with that, brother, then make we sort it out right here, sir. That's it.
Do it like me, speak corporate. Hop out the whip, they're stalling it. While my drip be pouring it. Whole gang outside with a portion it.
Let's go.
Man like Watch just stepped in the tee. You're back from W3. Gun lean with a money machine. 2 minutes.
I say gun lean with the money machine. I think there was a gun lean with the money machine. The boss has talked about. That's all.
Look, stop talking my talking.
Yappity yap, yappity yap.
They on zero, they ain't scoring.
Please tell me why they talk like that.
Look,
Yeah, they chorus catchy though. The chorus is very catchy. Like the chorus, very catchy, very catchy.
I'm on the block with demons.
DT, demon time.
Man, I got pain and feelings.
You said that you'd change.
Boys is always gonna be boys. So ladies, don't try to get the man them to change. If you meet a man and he might do something that you don't like, try to encourage him to stop. Don't try make him stop or say, yo, you say I got change. No, man will never change unless them want change. Human will never change unless them want change. Same thing, vice versa. You see it?
The all on a stitch.
Splash, splash, splash.
Got a bulldog on my hip.
Crash, 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 crash.
Man, I'm on the block with demons.
Yo, the dogs are out, brother. The dogs are out. Let's go.
Demon time.
Got bay in the feelings.
You said that you'd change. Hey,
Hey,
Nice video. Demon Time remix. Yeah. I like the fact that them endorse the Ray and Nephew, the Jamaican rum as well on the table. As you can see from the cup them and thing. Ray and him nephew. I like the fact that I go on. You see? Yeah, man, I like the fact that I go on. Yeah. So that's all them socials. Big them up. Big up the artists them. You see me? We are putting the work. We are put out the production for we to react to and for the fans them for really love and appreciate. You see me? Eh? So guys, if you don't enjoy that one day, if you don't like the reaction there, a breakdown there, I know I miss a lot of it because some terms and slang them I use, never get it. So guys, if you want to support the channel, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. It really help. Also guys, if you feel generous and want to donate, today my birthday. Yeah, if you feel generous, I want to donate something to the cause. My PayPal link is in the description below. Also, just any little thing help. You know, some if you buy some more white t-shirt because I've only got like 10, so I need like 20. You know what I mean? Anyway, guys, I'll see you guys on the next one. And also, guys, please remember, my link is in the description below for my Instagram. So please go over there, go follow. Peace.